At ZenoWell, we are guided by a simple philosophy. If we feel better, we will live more. Human beings are designed to follow rhythm, awake with light, rest with darkness. So if you sleep well, if you can feel calm, we need calm, and be energetic, we need energy. Your body and mind return to balance. And in balance, the body has a natural ability to recover. In modern life, many people are struggling with sleep issues, stress, low energy, and chronic pain. And for many women, actually hormone changes can add another layer of issues. Headaches, head and neck tension, mood swings, period cramps, and fatigue. Since COVID-19, a lot of wearables have made all of these patterns more visible through metrics, like sleep performance, stress score, recovery, strain, and HRV features. Many of these signals connect back to one key system, the autonomic nervous system, and the wellness and the resilience of our vagus nerve. Vagus nerve is the longest cranial nerve, connecting our brain with all of our organs. It plays a very key role for the body and mind, switching from fight and flight states to rest and digest states. That's why we created ZenoWell Luna, a daily gadget. It is safe and easy to use. It is an auricular vagus nerve stimulation device, a relaxation kit with parameters tailored to improve sleep, boost calm, enhance energy, and support head tension, headaches, and body fatigue, and also caring for women's wellness during times of hormonal changes. Luna is designed to be portable, no app, no subscription needed, so it fits into life so smoothly. With 4 modes, sleep, relax, relieve, and meditate, you can choose what matches the moments. Before bedtime, during anxiety, through mood swings, headache attacks, and whenever you feel pain or fatigue. It is so simple. You just pick it up and use it. The earpiece is thoughtfully designed to cover the key auricular vagus nerve targets. The sensation is gentle and comfortable, so better sleep, relaxation, high HRV, energy, focus, and a glowing everyday state can feel within your control. With regular use of ZenoWell Luna, we hope to offer a safe, non-drug, wearable neurotech to support our wellness so we can feel better and live more.